Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to fix spatial audio not available in Windows 10, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech solutions and tips. Let's dive into it. Method 1. First, right-click on the sound icon located in the bottom right corner of your system tray. Next, click on Open Sound Settings. In the Sound Settings window, look for Related Settings and click on the Sound Control panel. In the Sound Control panel, select Playback Devices from the context menu. Choose the headphones or speakers you want to enable spatial sound for. Click the Properties button at the bottom right of the window. Now, navigate to the Spatial Sound tab at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Windows Sonic for headphones, or choose the appropriate option if you're configuring speakers. Click OK to apply the changes and check if spatial sound is working. Method 2. Click on the Start button, type Troubleshoot, and select Troubleshoot Settings from the search results. Then click on Additional Troubleshooters. After that, select Playing Audio, and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will now detect and attempt to fix any issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.